Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens and we are about to get into this week's deals. I want to keep it pretty simple this week, so I'm going to do some very easy in-store deals, and then I'm also going to pick up an online order that is absolutely amazing. So we're going to get started with our in-store deals, and we're going to pick up some laundry items first. So our favorite deal is back again on the Tide. So these are buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. The Bounty and the Charmin are also included in case you want to grab one of those instead. But I'm going to pick up 4 of the Tide products. These are on sale for $4.99. We have $2 digital coupons that we're going to use on 2 of the products. So you want to pick up a total of 4. We have a $2 digital for the Tide Pods, and we have a $2 digital for the Tide Liquid. And then we're going to use $2 paper coupons on the other 2, so 1 of each. And that is going to bring our total to pay at the register down to $11.96. After we pay the $11.96, we'll get back a $6 register reward, making all 4 Tide products only $5.96 or $1.49 each. You know what? Since my online order is going to be such a good moneymaker, I think I'm going to swap out one of my Tide products for one of the Bounty products in my buy 4 get back 6 deal. So I'm going to grab these Bounty Essentials right here. They are $4.99 as well. I'm going to be using a 25-cent digital coupon. So with the Bounty as my 4th item instead of another Tide Pods, I am going to end up paying $13.71 at the register and then getting back the $6 register reward, making all 4 items $7.71 or $1.92 each. Something else I picked up that finally went on clearance at my store. I actually looked for this product over a week ago, probably 2 weeks ago. They had marked down a lot of the coffee on clearance, but it wasn't quite 90% off at my store. Now it is 90% off, so I'm going to be able to store some coffee items today for a super cheap price. I think this is going to be like 39 cents. And then these Maxwell House right here are going to be like 49 cents or somewhere in that price mark. So that's going to be a really good deal. No coupons required. The next thing I'm grabbing is the soft soap. So these are buy 1 get 1 50% off. We're going to get the smaller ones that are $1.99, and when you buy 4 you're going to get back a $4. All right, so these 4 soaps will total up to $5.96 because they're buy 1 get 1 50% off at $1.99. After the 75-cent digital coupon that will apply to one of them, we are going to pay $5.22 at the register, but then we're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it only $1.22 for all 4, or 30 cents each. We have a super easy moneymaker on the Colgate this week. So this week, I'm going to pick up 2 of these Optic White for $2.99. And then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $4. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave us to pay $2 at the register, but then we're going to get $4 back, making them free, plus a $2 moneymaker. And it looks like there was some pretty good clearance on the Colgate as well. So pay attention in your stores in case these right here are actually still available and on markdown. If you clipped your $5 off of 2 BIC coupon, you also want to check for your BIC section as well, because you can probably grab 2 cheaper BIC items totaling around $5.99. Then you want to use that $5 off of 2 digital coupon. It will make them only 49 cents each. I did not clip my digital in time, so I am not doing this deal today. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go up and check out. This is pretty much going to be an all digital haul with the exception of 1 paper coupon. So I'm just going to use 1 paper coupon on 1 bottle of Tide, and then everything else will be a digital coupon. I am also going to add in a couple register rewards to reduce my out of pocket. So let me go pick up my online order and then check out with these items, and then we will debrief and review how everything worked out. All right, you guys, so I am back at home. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see how everything worked out. These deals worked out really, really good. So here's the in-store transaction that we just did. I just picked up everything all together. I wasn't using any boosters or anything like that for this transaction, so I just decided to go on ahead and run it. As you can see, my coffee did ring up on clearance. The K-Cups were 55 cents each. And then down here, the Maxwell House was 50 cents each. And those have great expiration dates. They don't expire until 2022 and 2023. So that is a really good deal. Then here's all of the coupons that we use. Like I said, this was almost all digital, and it wouldn't be Walgreens if one of my digitals did not come off. And my Bounty coupon, that 25 cents, did not come off, but I did not make a big fuss about that because it was only 25 cents, but then everything else came off. We have the $2 paper coupon for the Tide, and then our other digitals right there for the Colgate, the soft soap, and then I used $9 in register rewards. That brought my subtotal down to $14.75. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $4.75 plus tax. And then as far as what I got back the $6 register reward for the Tide and Bounty deal. I got back the $4 register reward for the Colgate Moneymaker. And then I also got back, there you can see, $4 in Walgreens cash for the soft soap deal as well. So we did pretty good there. When you subtract out the register rewards that I used and subtract out that clearance coffee, my total at the register would have been $21.15. Then I got back a total of $14 in rewards. So that made that in-store transaction a total cost of $7.15. All right, you guys, so now let's get into this online pickup order because this is where I made my money. So this was an all digital online pickup order, and credit to GME Coupons because I got this deal directly from her. I did have to tweak it a little bit at the end, and I will tell you why, but this was such a good moneymaker deal. So in her breakdown, she recommended to get 2 of the Nexus products for $11.99 online, and then 2 of the Shea Moisture products. Those are $5.99, and I think they're buy one, get one 50% off. We have a $5 off of 2 digital coupon for the Shea Moisture, and we have an $8 off of 2 Nexus coupon. That Nexus coupon, I don't think is still available for new downloads. It's been available for the past couple weeks. And then I had to add in a Dove bar. I added that in separately. I had to go back into the store and add that, but I would recommend that you add that into your transaction as well. Those are $1.59. There's no manufacturer coupons on them. Now, the reason these items are such a good moneymaker is because Fetch Rewards is offering $10 in Fetch points when you spend $30 on Unilever products at Walgreens. And this is one of those offers where you're going to have to scan in your receipt in order to see it. So this totals up to right at $30 worth of Unilever products with that Dove bar included. Without the Dove bar, it was coming up to like $28.86, I believe. And that is because I also used a pickup code, I will have it up on the screen, that took off 20% off of the Nexus. So let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is the Shea Moisture, there is the Nexus products. Those were $11.99 products that came down to $10.39 after the 20% off. And then there is our digital coupons. That's the 8 off of 2 and the 5 off of 2. Without the Dove bar included, my total was $15.86. With the Dove bar included, your total will be around $17. So to go along with getting back the $10 in cash from Fetch Rewards, we are also going to earn back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $20 on Nexus. And I am also adding in a spend $20, get back $4 in Walgreens cash point booster. So your total is about $17 out of pocket, and you can use up to about $5 in Walgreens cash to pay for that, but you're gonna pay the $17 and you're gonna get back a total of $24 or $25 depending on what type of booster you're using. So I got back $24 total. I got back a total of $10 from Fetch Rewards, and then I got back 14,000 points in Walgreens cash. And when I scanned in my first receipt that just had the 2 Nexus items and the 2 Shea Moisture items, that's when I realized that I needed to go back in and buy the Dove bar. Now, I could have tried to correct my receipt to the original price of the Nexus, but the way that it looks on the receipts, I just didn't want to play with it. So I recommend adding in that Dove bar just so it's clean. So I went back in and I bought that Dove bar for $1.79. And when I uploaded my receipt with that Dev bar only on it, that is when I got my $10 from Fetch Rewards. So spending out $17 and then getting back a total of $24 or $25, depending on your booster, this is going to be either a $7 or an $8 moneymaker for you, which is amazing because that's the same amount of money that we actually spent for our in-store transaction. So a couple things to note about the online pickup order is we do have paper coupons for the Nexus. So if you don't have the digital and you have the paper coupons from this past weekend's inserts, you may be able to work out an in-store deal instead with the Nexus. And then also as an alternate for that Dove bar, you can also grab some cheap Degree deodorant this week. The spray deodorant has some really good promotions going along with it. I think it's buy two, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And we have a $3 off of 2 paper coupon, and we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupons, so you can use either one of those. And there are Ebates rebates. So after all of those savings, those come out to like 74 cents each. I decided not to go that route because I don't need any more deodorant, but that's another way to get you over that $30 so that you can qualify for those fetch points. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I think we did great today to only use 1 paper coupon, and you can also print that paper coupon if you need to from the P&G website. I feel like this was a fantastic digital deal at Walgreens. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. I thank you all so much for watching today's video, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.